A CBG plant is often misunderstood, seen as a digester or storage balloons. But long-term performance does not come from equipment, it comes from systems. At GBR Eco Projects, we don't build plants, we build integrated bioenergy ecosystems, engineered for reliability and long-term returns. Most projects fail not because of technology, but because of gaps in feedstock, in storage, in utilities, and in operation. That is where projects lose money and lenders take risk. Developed in partnership with GBR Eco Projects, Nitya Bio-CNG Private Limited is a fully self-sustained, future-ready 12 tons per day Bio-CNG facility planned across a 15-acre campus, designed as a fully integrated ecosystem, where every dependency is planned, secured, and backed up. The ecosystem begins with feedstock security. Napier grass from our own 500 acres of integrated plantations, along with agricultural biomass sourced from local farmers, is received on-site and stored. Approximately 3 acres of dedicated silage area enables on-site storage of nearly 25,000 tons of biomass. Newly received feedstock is preserved in covered silage systems, more than to 6 months without spoiling. Stored biomass is then moved in a planned sequence, from covered silage to silage bunkers, ensuring consistent daily feeding using older stock first. In addition, another 3 acres of reserve land remains available for future expansion. Feedstock-specific pretreatment systems and digesters supported by in-house R&D improves yield and ensure biological stability. Purification, compression, and storage capacities are designed for 16-hour operating cycles, deliberately leaving buffer time for maintenance, emergencies, and workforce sustainability. Solid and liquid FOM streams are processed, stabilized, and deployed back into our own Napier farms, with surplus marketed as certified organic fertilizers. This ecosystem is engineered for energy self-sufficiency through integrated solar power, water ponds engineered to secure uninterrupted operations during water supply disruptions, a goshala integrated into the ecosystem producing cow dung with the right microbial culture, on-site laboratories and R&D enabling daily monitoring and continuous improvements. This ecosystem generates value at every stage through CBG, organic fertilizers, biomass pellets, electricity generation, and CO2 capture for food-grade applications, all supported by a well-planned layout that enables seamless movement of material, energy, and output. At 12 tons per day, this ecosystem can fuel over 2,500 CNG vehicles every day. It produces nearly 12,000 tons of organic fertilizers annually, replacing more than 3,000 tons of chemical fertilizers, also reducing approximately 10,000 tons of carbon emissions every year. Long-term biomass procurement strengthens rural income stability. At GBR Eco Projects, we're not building just another plant. We are building operating ecosystems designed for long-term performance. Because sustainable returns don't come from digesters and balloons, they come from systems that work. Every day, in every condition. Join us in building a resilient, clean energy ecosystem for India's future.